I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling ProRes in Settings. This unlocks the codec for video capture. Once done, make sure you have ample free space, because ProRes files are large and fill storage fast. Plug the phone into power or keep battery above 20% to prevent thermal throttling. Now open the camera app and switch to video mode. You'll see a ProRes badge if it's ready. If you're shooting 4K, select the resolution and frame rate before recording. This sets the file size and controls workflow later. You now configure in-app settings for capture quality and intent. Choose 4K 30 FPS for high detail or 1080p 60 FPS for smoother motion. This affects both file size and editing headroom. Tap the ProRes indicator to ensure the codec is active. Adjust exposure and lock focus. Touch and hold to set AE/AF lock, so the codec captures stable data. If you need more dynamic range for grading, consider a third-party app that offers flat picture profiles. You're ready to record. Press record and watch the red ProRes indicator. If a storage warning appears, stop and free space. Once done, immediately offload files to your Mac or an external SSD over USB-C to avoid losing data and to keep the phone responsive. For long takes, record in segments to manage heat. If the phone stops recording, cool it down, delete unnecessary files, or switch from 4K to 1080p to reduce file size. These steps restore recording ability without losing footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.